Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming your iPhone supports iOS 17 and why that matters. Unsupported devices can't install the firmware. Once done, back up to iCloud or to a computer so you can restore if something fails. Make sure the phone has enough free storage and is charging or at least at 50%. Large updates can stall without power. Finally, update critical apps now to avoid compatibility issues when the system update completes. You navigate to Settings, General, Software Update, and tap Download and Install. That starts the process and explains why Wi-Fi is required for large files. Once the download begins, watch the progress bar and estimated time so you know when to pause other tasks. If asked, enter your passcode and accept Apple's terms. The installer often needs the device to remain idle and plugged in. That reduces interruptions and ensures the migration steps complete smoothly. You finish when the phone restarts and guides you through on-screen setup, permissions, and privacy prompts. Completing these steps activates new features. Once set, check apps and sign into Apple ID services to confirm data is synchronized. If the update fails or the device is stuck, try a simple restart first. If that does not work, boot into recovery mode and use Finder or iTunes on a computer to reinstall iOS or restore your backup. This fixes most installation errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.